In this video, we're going to show you how to install an ignition lock cylinder on your Ford Ranger. It's located here inside the steering column. On the bottom half of your steering column, there is a cover right here. There's going to be 3 Phillips head screws. Let's go ahead, loosen and remove those screws. Once we have the screws out, let's go ahead and pop this lower cover off. And just slide that out. Then you're going to go ahead and take your key, put that in, and turn it to the run position. That's all the way forward. On the bottom side of your ignition lock cylinder, there's a pin right here. I'm just using a cotter pin. You can use another type of pin. You push that up and work that lock cylinder out like so. And take your new lock cylinder, and here is your pin right here. So the key in, we want to go ahead and turn this to the run position. The pin itself will depress in. Go ahead, line this up. Press this into place. Once that's fully seated, so we'll bring the key back and it's in its lock position. Once we push down on our lock release for our ignition key, you turn this back and the pin itself will protrude out into the column. And go ahead and remove your key. I'm going to go ahead and install our lower column cover here. And this in general should line up our pins with the lower cover to the upper. I'm going to go ahead and get one screw in on this side here, and we'll start that just a couple threads, and then we'll come on over to the other side and get that lined up. And then we'll snug down our third screw on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.